guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is just a day. Well, I got this table from KILIMALL and I just decided to show you guys how I fix it, and here we go. Gave it some screws and a mini screwdriver. So yeah, so this is how it came packed. It has like the 2C letters, yeah, and those are like the side stands, and then it also came with these two little rods and a top and the meshed like thing and a bottom base, and of course a golden little kit mat for the top, I guess. Yeah, so let's do this. So first of all, I'd like to log into my KILIMALL app, because honestly guys, I forgot how this table is supposed to look like, so I had to go on and just try to figure it out myself, because the disadvantage is it doesn't come with a manual, so you just have to log in your KILIMALL, look at the table, and then try and find a way to bring it together and look like what it looks like on KILIMALL. So that's the picture guys, that's how it actually looks like. Let me show you well. That's it. So I will be using my phone to put these parts together, and I'll not be talking much because everything is pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, so let's do this. guys, so this is the final product. This is how it actually is supposed to look like according to the app, and it is very, very, very cute and beautiful, and I love every bit of it. Where the screws are, it's very, very hidden. No one can even tell that you did it yourself. Someone will even think you did it from the carpenter, but these things, yeah. And the shop is called on KILIMALL, is called I'm not sure, but Households Daily, and it's very, very nice. They have things like IKEA, and this is just the perfect thing for you people who are too lazy to go to the carpenter. You can order these things and they'll come. So yeah, that's the outlook. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Nawapenda, remember to always stay humble, work hard, and disciplined.